Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix a texture pack is not working in Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. All you need to do here is to write on search run and press on run. Then you just need to write %appdata% and then hit OK. Then you need to look for .minecraft and then here you will find resource packs, right? And then you can drag and drop that particular pack and look if it's working for you or not. If it's not working, what you need to do here, you just need to create a new folder. Give it a name. Name it really doesn't matter, but just for you. Then you just need to open up that particular pack that you just got it, and just drag and drop that particular files to the folder that you just create, right? And after that, you just need to paste that folder to resource packs on .minecraft and your texture packs should be working, right? So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.